Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Right now we're going to talk to you about stock market. Everyone knows that stock market is a big opportunity that you can um, earn, you can lose also your money, but there is um, more profit that you can do if you study, if you're learning how to place your trade, how to take position in the market. First of all, what is stock market? Stock market, I think stock market trading is the buying and selling of stock. Two actions: trading, buying and selling of stocks. Also, some people know as shares or equities in publicly traded companies. Involves investors, traders, and institutions buying and selling stocks with the aim of market profit. So, here's a basic overview of how stock market trading works. We are going to see how stock market trading work. Before you start studying chart, like as you can see that right now, you're you have to know what are the basic. Um, you have to selecting stocks. Traders research and analyze various stocks to identify potential opportunities. They make look at factors such as company financials, industrial trends, news, and market sentiment. That's the first. Okay. Um, and secondly, you have placing orders. Once they have identified stocks they want to trade, traders place buy or sell, like I said, orders through a brokerage platform. I think there is a many a sort of platform brokers that you can trade stock market, forex, crypto. Also, there's others specifying the quantity of shares and the price at which they are willing to buy or sell. And in the section 3, you have to execute. And execution: when a buyer's bid price matches a seller's ask price, a trade occurs. This can happen almost instantaneously or electronic trading platform. Also, monitoring and managing position. You have to know about monitoring and when you have to take a manage your positions. You as a trader monitor. You have to closely position closely, watching for changes in stock price and market conditions. Depending on their trading strategy, everyone have a trading strategy. You have to have one. They may hold position for a short period, day trading, or longer swing trading, or investing, or scalping. Um, you have to get your strategy. Day trading, short period, swing trading, longer, or investing, or scalping also. And risk management. Successful traders employ risk management techniques to protect their capital. This may include setting stop loss orders to limit potential losses, diversifying their portfolio, and sizing position appropriately. Market analysis. You have to studying tools and techniques to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Overall, stock market trading can be a complex and risky endeavor, but it also offers the potential for significant profit for those who are skilled and disciplined. It's important for traders to continually educate themselves, stay updated on market news and events, and develop a solid trading plan. That's all you have to do. For example, if you consult the market today, NVDA Corporation, at here you have the price. The change is positive. All traders make made this position are gainers. You can see Tesla, Apple, Sophie, BML, Mara, and Tech. Okay, at here we are on the selling side. You can see the gainers, the losers, the losers also direct digital holding, the price. You can see all the thing. Uh, it's a good time to invest in stock market. I think there's never necessarily bad time to buy. Okay, guys, the trading view is a solid tool that you can use for make analysis to make analysis to the market, to the market. On the next video we can learn. I can make some courses for you guys. If you're interested, you can write in the section comment, I need this course. It will be a free course if you're interested. For example, I think you have Nasdaq. Okay, I will open the chart. Okay, I will select the candles and the candle for for one day. For one day, that's the result. Okay, the result very good, very good. Okay, you can see all the explanation, all the chart. Okay, you can personalize this chart. Okay, for most options. So guys, I will stop this video right now, and the next day I will talk to you more about this strategy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Talk to you soon.